Hello friends, welcome back to Miniature Diecast, and today we have a beautiful car from Matchbox, and this one is Ford 1970 Ford Bronco. So 1970 Ford Bronco is a classic model from the iconic American off-road lineup. So you can see the car over here, and the car art is very fantastic. So comparison to Hot Wheels, you can see in the car art. So here we can see a Ford Bronco driving throughout a rocky desert terrain, matching its rugged off-road heritage. So I bought this at a price of $179, and I would like to highlight one thing. I really like the packaging and the card art comparison to Hot Wheels main lines. So let's unbox this beauty. Absolutely beautiful, very fantastic casting from Matchbox. So let's start from the front. So in front, hope you can see. Okay, so in front we can see headlight details, and Ford is written over here, and we have the side indicators as well, and we can see the engine grills also. It is painted but very well, and we can see the front grille also over here. So let's talk about from the side profile. So from the side we can see door handle is there, and we can see the looking glasses also here. And from the back, okay, that is also very fantastic. So from the back we can see tail lights, it is painted, and we can see Ford is written over here, and here we can see very tiny, it is written Bronco. So the color is, I think, light olive green. If I am wrong, please let me in the comment box. Okay, so interior, it is kind of off-white finish, not so much detail, but still it's manageable. You can see driving seat and steering also. Color is fantastic. Few color bubbles are there, like here. Overall fantastic, quality is very fantastic. So let's talk about the wheels. So wheels is all black except this white hub. Wheel is overall, wheel quality is very fantastic. So the entire body is made of metal, and the base is made of plastic. So the base is entirely chrome finished, and we can see a lot of details over here, like Matchbox logo and made in Thailand. And I'm really impressed by the details which Matchbox has provided over here, like the drive shaft and all those things. You can see the wheels are little bit higher because this car is a off-road type of car. That's why the design of wheels is like this. I would like to share one fun fact about this car. So the 1970 Ford Bronco was part of the Ford's first generation design as a direct competitor to the Jeep CJ. But Ford's simply boxy design and off-road capabilities made it a cut classic from all the above, and the Matchbox captured the vintage charms beautifully in this casting. So let's do a roll test. Yeah, it does really well rolling. Okay, so hope you like the casting. If you love diecast cars and classic rides like this Ford Bronco, and hit the like button and subscribe to the miniature diecast for more tiny legends like this. So more adventures are coming. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.